When you see that someone is an affiliate for another brand, how does that make you feel? Do you feel kind of icky and you're turned off? Or do you feel like supporting that brand for being an affiliate? We're going to explore that and more in this video. We're going to show you how you can be an affiliate for another brand, or you can run an affiliate program for your brand. Are you ready? Let's go. So affiliate marketing has been around since 1989. It was started by a florist, actually. And really, it didn't get super popular until Amazon started their affiliate program in 1996. So what's an affiliate program? An affiliate program is where someone is selling something and you try to sell that item for them. You encourage people to buy that item and then you get paid a commission for each and every sale. That's an affiliate program. It's very simple. Why do we feel icky about it? I don't know. At first, I didn't really understand it. And I thought somehow if I clicked on that link that I was giving that company money, but I was paying more. I don't know what I thought. But really, that's not the case. If you click on an affiliate link for one of the people you follow on YouTube or social media, then they get a commission from the company that is selling that item. It's pretty simple, and you're not negatively affected, but the people that you're supporting are positively affected. And affiliate programs can range from a very small percentage commission, a one-time payout, to an ongoing recurring payout for each membership or month someone is involved with that brand. Amazon has really kind of locked down the affiliate marketing where you can promote products and create affiliate links. And if they click on your link, then when Amazon sells that product to that person, you get a commission. Now, it might not be a very high commission, but Amazon's counting on volume because Amazon sells a lot of stuff. What's interesting about the Amazon program is that anything anyone buys within a 24-hour period after they click your affiliate link, you'll get credit for those items. So that's pretty cool. But after that 24 hours, that dies. So if someone clicks on your link, your affiliate link for, say, a camera, and they think about it for a couple days and then they purchase that camera, you're not going to get credit for it unless they do it within that 24-hour window. All right, so we kind of got off track. So let's get back to what exactly is affiliate marketing and how you can get involved in it. Now, let's start off by saying that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme that you will start seeing dividends on right away. Affiliate marketing takes time to build up, and you have to put some effort into it. You have to choose products that people want to buy. I encourage you to only pick products that you've at least tried out or you have familiarity with, so that you're recommending products that you would either use yourself or that you've seen in action and that you recommend. Today, I'm wearing my HighLevel shirt because I am a HighLevel affiliate. That's an application that you can use to run your small business. I'm an affiliate for them. You'll see a link in the description below, and I get a commission if you choose to click that link. But you don't pay any more than you normally would if you went straight to HighLevel. You're just giving me some credit for having tried out the product, for endorsing that product, and for taking the time to tell you more about that product. So that's how affiliates work. So the first thing you need to do is look at your niche that you already have business in and figure out what kind of products those people need. So for example, I am in the marketing and small business support business. So I want to encourage people to buy a software that will help them run their business. I also have affiliate links from Amazon on the equipment that I use to shoot these videos, because if you want to start shooting videos, I want you to have products that I've already explored, I already know work well. So if you think this video sounds good and looks good, you should go look and see what camera, what microphone that I'm using to shoot the videos. So it's kind of like I'm trying it out first before you take a chance on it, which should build trust in your audience and let them know that you care about getting them the best product. If you put in camera for YouTube videos into Amazon, you are going to get hundreds and hundreds of responses to that. And how do you pick which one? This way, I've already done that for you, and you're just supporting me in my efforts and clicking on the link. So that's what you can do for your customer base as well. So think about the people that you already serve and what kind of products they would use. Now, every affiliate program has different rules that they apply and go by. Amazon has rules as well. They have very strict rules about making sure everyone knows that you are an affiliate for that product and that that link is an affiliate link. You'll see the disclaimer in the description below. They also have rules about how often people need to purchase or they're going to drop you from the affiliate program. So you need to look at all the terms that apply to the affiliate program you're interested in. I recommend you only pick one affiliate program and work with that program for a while just to get used to how it works, and then you can add on more products and affiliate groups later. Affiliate commission can range anywhere from 5% to 50%, which is a great commission. It also can range from one time to a recurring payment. So example software, if you get a membership to HighLevel, I get recurring commission for each month that you purchase and use that software. For an Amazon purchase, I get a one-time payment for that purchase that you made, and that's all. And then that's the end of the commission. So you have to explore the different types of commission and what you're willing to do to push that product, because that is time that you're taking, and you want to see how much return you're going to get on that investment. That's really important. All right, so why on earth would you want to get into affiliate marketing? Well, for one thing, you don't have to have a product to sell. There's no upfront cost as far as money is concerned because you're selling someone else's product. You're selling different Amazon products that are on Amazon. The products are already there. You don't have to ship them. You don't have to store them. You don't have to do anything to fulfill that commitment. All you need to do is provide the link and lead people to the product that you suggest. Now, again, make sure you have used it or really believe in that product, because if people have a bad experience, they may associate that with you and your brand, and you don't want that to happen. In general, it's good to do affiliate marketing because you don't have any fees associated with it. You just get paid for every sale that you're able to make. You don't have to deal with customers. Although, again, if you associate yourself with a brand that has poor customer service and that people end up failing with, they may associate that with you, even if it wasn't your fault. So be careful what you are willing to be an affiliate for. It's a profitable system because every time people click on your link, you make a commission and that goes into your account. So it's great as long as you got people clicking. And you can do it when you want. So if you have a full-time job and you want to take on some affiliate marketing, you can do it in the evenings, on the weekends, whenever you have time to do it. But remember, you are investing time, and you need to invest time, because if you do not, then this will not be successful for you and you'll be wasting your time. Okay, so how can you get started doing affiliate marketing? First of all, you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a group of people and products that those people want that will solve problems that they are having. So, who is your base already? Who do you already talk to, or are you in groups with, or do you associate with, or you have some expertise in? That is where you should begin your affiliate marketing. So, as you see in the description below, I have affiliate links to products that I am using to edit this video, to shoot this video, and to run my business with HighLevel. Those are the products I'm choosing to use, and they're great for small businesses because they're great for my small business. So that's the niche that I am in. So you need to pick that niche first. Don't just pick random products. Pick them that are on a niche. For travelers, maybe you support traveling or you travel a lot, get some affiliate links to those products you love while you're traveling. That's just one example. Pets. Maybe you have a lot of pets. You have a couple dogs, you have some cats, maybe you have birds. And so you want to support the pet industry and people that support the pet industry. Well, find affiliate links to products that you love to use with your pets. That would be a great niche. All right, next, you need to find a platform to do your affiliate program with. So there's a lot of platforms out there. I highly recommend you start with Amazon. While they do have some fairly strict rules, they're easy to follow as long as you know what they are, and they have products for every niche. I mean every niche. So go ahead and try Amazon Partnership Program, and then see how that goes. if you want to expand to where you have products at Walmart, you have products all different places, then you can start looking for other platforms that use those companies. I would start with Amazon. In the description below, there'll be some other platforms that you can sign up for, and they're different platforms and they manage different brands. So check out the description below for more. So there are several different affiliate programs for you. One is high commission but low volume. So you get a lot, but you don't sell a lot. So HighLevel, for example, has a 40% commission at the time I shot this video. So that's a recurring 40% monthly commission on every sale. So that is a high commission. And I don't need to sell a whole lot of it to start making that commission. So that's a great example of high commission, low volume. And you have low commission, high volume. I think Amazon's a great example of that. You're not going to get a lot for each sale, but you could potentially have a very high volume of sales. Every click that goes and gets that product or any other product in that 24 hours is going to send you a commission. You have a low commission and a high volume. Then you have the cream of the crop, high commission, high volume. In those spaces, there is a lot of competition. So if you choose that type of affiliate program, you are going to have to make sure you have a lot of social media contacts, that you have some ads you perhaps run, and that you're willing to go all in for that high commission, because you are going to have a lot of competition for that one. Okay, so how do you get people to click on your affiliate links? Well, you're going to have to create some content. Now, you do not have to do YouTube videos, but that is one type of content you could do. You could do TikTok videos. You could do social media platforms where you post unboxing, reviews of different equipment, reviews of different services. So that is an area you could post content. You can do blog posts. Blog posts are great because you can highlight different features of the product you are an affiliate for. And you can repeat and use different parts of the product in different ways. You could have guests come in. That leads us to another opportunity, which is podcasting. So if you want to do a podcast, a great place to do affiliate marketing, because you can stick in your own commercials within your podcast or your video content or even your blog post. There, you're writing the content, the links going off to your affiliate program, and you're getting a commission for that sale. Running your small business is no easy task, and sometimes you probably wish you had a clone. Oh, hey, how's it going? But this isn't real. But we do have a software that can help you automate workflows, get things done faster, and have everything in one place to run your small business, and that is HighLevel. HighLevel is the software that can make you feel like you have a clone. Check in the description below. Click the link and I'll show you how it's done. Now, back to our video. Finally, another area you could create content is an email list. So if you have a large email following or you have a way to increase your email list, then use that email list and send them out product reviews, different types of things you've tried out lately. If you're traveling, where was your latest trip and what new products did you take and use on the trip? So those are some ways that you can create content to get your affiliate links and your recommendations out there right away. All right, so now we have to build some traffic. You want to use SEO. That's a whole nother video, but that's search engine optimization. That is where you use keywords of things people are searching for. So if you make it clear what that product, what problem that will solve, then that's what people will be searching for. I need a CRM that will support my small business. I need to have keywords around my HighLevel affiliate link opportunities. So when people search for that issue, they will land on my materials. So think of the problem you're solving and make sure those keywords are in your blog post, in your video, or in your ads. You could do paid search or paid ads. As long as the affiliate allows you to do that, then you can create paid ads and actually pay for them. Now you say, why would I want to do that? Well, because the commission you get back by those paid ads should far outweigh the cost of the ads, but you have to determine that for yourself. I would not do that as my first opportunity. I would do any type of free marketing, free email list, free blog posts, all of that first before I went to the paid ad situation. I know I said this before, but build that email list. Maybe you have some freebie, you're an expert in a certain area. Again, travel. Can you set up a free opportunity, some kind of packing list, some kind of itinerary planner that you've created? That could be your freebie, to where people will give you their email in exchange for that freebie. Now you have a large email list and you can continue to promote your affiliate products to that email list. Okay, time to switch gears. Let's say you have a product, an ebook, a brick and mortar store where you sell products, or you sell products online. Maybe you have an Etsy store, maybe you have a t-shirt line. Whatever it is that you sell, you can set up your own affiliate program. So imagine you get friends, family, and customers that have already purchased from you, encourage their friends and family and people that trust them to buy your product. Wow, that is amazing. You can do it with your own affiliate program. So all of that traffic will be coming in essentially for free, although you're going to pay them a commission. So it's not completely for free, but it really will ramp up your traffic. So how do you do that? You need to have a software to manage that affiliate situation. HighLevel does that. So you can click on my affiliate link in the description below to set that up, and in a later video I'll show you how that's done. You set up your program. You can have coupon codes, you can have links specialized for that individual, and you send that person their affiliate link or their coupon code, and then every person that uses that particular link or that particular coupon code, you are going to give a commission to. Imagine you give 10% of the sale price, 20% of that sale price to your affiliates for helping you get traffic and make that sale. Amazing. One thing you could do if you're worried about losing money with an affiliate program just getting started is you could increase your prices just a little bit to cover that affiliate situation so that you can afford to pay that affiliate. But I don't think you're going to need to do that, because the increased volume of your sales will far outweigh the commission you're paying. Interestingly enough, HighLevel doesn't have a marketing department. They may now, but when they started out, they had no marketing department. They only had affiliates. The affiliates were their marketing department. Amazing. You're not paying them all day, every day. You're only paying them when they make a sale for you. That is way better than hiring a marketing department. There's other things you can offer your affiliates. If you don't want to give them a percent of sales, you could offer them some kind of free ebook that comes their way if they get 10 sales. You could offer them special time with you. Once you build a brand, if you're an expert in your area and people are buying for your valuable time, you could offer a free one-on-one if they get 10 sales. There's lots of things that you can offer. You have to figure out what's valuable to the people that follow you in your niche, and then offer them that opportunity for encouraging people to buy your products. So there you go. You have two ways you could benefit from affiliate marketing, and it's not a dirty word. It is a win for everyone. You can set up with an affiliate program like Amazon, or some of the software you use, or some of the products you use. Set up an affiliate status, and then every time you encourage people to buy that product, you will get a commission. Or you can set up an affiliate program for your business where you give out coupons to current customers, you encourage them to bring in a family member, or you create a unique link that goes just to that person, and then as they bring you traffic, you kick them a little commission for bringing you that traffic and that sale. They don't get paid if you don't get a sale. Try out affiliate marketing today. I think you'll like it. You've got to invest time, but there's no money or product up front. Okay, well, that's today's video. I hope you'll check out some of our other videos. Please subscribe so you don't miss an episode. And remember, without impact, it doesn't matter.